Narito ang video ng mga ka-hunters na pinasok ang isang hidden tunnel sa Makilala North, Cotabato upang i-confirm ang sinabi ng living witness na merong nakausling na sementong box ng kahon sa isang tunnel sa gilid ng Saguing River. At ang mga treasure hunters na ito ay nag-successful sa kanilang retrieval operation.
There is a tunnel there.
이쪽이군요. 오케이.
Okay. Here's the liquid.
엄청
Factory? Yeah. Over 6 years. 오래 있었네. Long time. Long time experience. Oh, whether it was standard. Standard? Yeah. Yes. Yes, but. You know what? Huh? But.
Tunnel. Then when we pull up the water,
Okay.
there is a room
Room.
underneath. There is a room underneath. When we pull down the